Yeah. Hi. You want that one, Francis? Wait, because it's gonna melt. Milk. Taste this one. So, look at that. Nene, I do it for you. Okay? I don't know how.
How can you get that out without your basic yourself?
How are you? No, taste it.
Just felt this.
On? It's lekker.
Here they are making that. Look at that. That's really yummy. Try that, yeah. We just
Francis ordered with ice. Should I? Hello, Francis. The number 3. Hello, Francis. Hello, Francine. Hello. Our last stay in Brussels, and we're going to Filipina, where the beach is, where the fun park is. Tour guide si Ella. Look at Francine now, open. Yeah. Where are they? Wow. Kung makita lang ninyo guys in person now. It's very nice. Grabe. Beautiful Brussels.
Yeah, that's not any.
Ang ganda guys. Francis car, yeah?
Francis.
Francis. Vanessa.
I took a photo of him.
You will fall there, Francis. Francis. Hey. You're not gonna jump. Come on now, we have to go. Yo, we're gonna find a playground. Come. Still waffle. And my third time waffle.
You're gonna miss it in Germany.
Mess around. Everybody do their mess around. Now you see that girl with the diamond ring. She knows how to shake that thing. She do the mess around. She do the mess around. She do the mess around. Everybody do their mess around.
So we have our staff heading to Dipana sa beach, guys. We don't have to change? Okay. Take metro. It's beautiful weather today. That's the McDonald's where we were. Yun yung hotel namin. Tourist spot na Boers Borze. Ella, Vanessa. So, Hantram is there. We're so lucky, guys, kasi yung hotel namin is very... aday dire. Nasa central talaga siya. So, that's the best part. Kasi before, we always nasa malayo. But this time, it's really in the central.
Oh, look at that. And go straight. And go straight.
That's the restaurant. So try to check that.
I think you have to go ahead.
Tadang na ano naman day sila. Oy, gaon naman day mo dire. You are already here, di ay? How did you get in? I got the ticket.
Excuse me, can you go outside here? We have already booked this.
So guys, this is our second hotel. Where's the... Oh, we're going to the beach man, di ay? But I take off my shoes para my... So ayan, 2 bunk beds and 1 big bed lang. And then, merong ganyan. Same as usual. Wait, I'm gonna use the phone, maybe? Or it's okay? Then, toilet here. And bath. Ayan.
Like on the beach.
What? Okay. And then, yan. Walang tub. May mirror. Yeah, you can. Nag-book na sila sa ano. Yeah.
Deutsch von mir.
Yeah.
Darf ich oben schlafen?
Yeah, so...
Ja, oben schlafen.
Ayan.
Darf ich oben schlafen?
Can you sleep with Francine then? Whoever is gonna sleep oben. And then, ayan. Then may cool shrunk. And the good thing is, meron...
It's not broke.
It's not broke. The other one is broke. Then may breakfast na siya. May free breakfast na siya.
From IKEA. That's the one that I wanted to buy originally.
Yeah? This bed?
Yeah, but we got the other one.
Yeah, because I don't like that because nah, because it's like army bed, eh?
Yeah, of course, they get boot camp.
Yeah.
Look what they
So,
the autos now.
It's not really big like other one, but I prefer this one actually kasi ang light sa isa is like Sir Dunkel or Sir Dark. It's like I don't know, it's just too big. So, and then this hotel, the good thing is in this hotel, guys, is it's next to the beach, just right next to the beach. It's just so unlucky na this year the spring is Francine, you cannot open that. There's nothing there. Ang spring this year is not warm. Very it's not warm this year. So we go to the beach now, guys.
Yeah.
Was ist das? Wodka? Wasser.
Yeah, it's vodka.
Das Wasser, sagte der Mann.
Oh,
Put the other drinks from Francine and Francis, the orange to the other one is there. No, keep it beside the Coca-Cola. Of course, it's only for small drinks. The other drink. You know. So ayan, we bring you to the beach, guys. Ayan sila. So ayan sila. Nag-uot me. Pero it's better.
Safety.
Look at that. They even have water kettle.
Ah, they have water kettle too.
Coffee, no.
Oh, they have water kettle. Oh, and there's a shrunk. Ang birthday boy. We gonna go. Put on your shoes. I gonna pee, then we go. Okay? That's where we stay. That hotel. And then the beach is just right here, guys. Andito lang talaga yung beach. That's Funland. You have fun, Morgan. Oh my God, ang tagal. Oh my God, there is a beach. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakita ng dagat. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakita ng dagat. And may dagat na dito, guys. It's dagat. Baby, can I borrow your phone? Because I don't charge.
Ich will meinen Fuß ausziehen. Ich will meinen Schuh. Ich will meinen Fuß ausziehen. Gott.
What is that, Bill?
Telephone.
Oh, who's that lucky teacup? You can't? We're gonna find a shell. Find a shell.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Aua.
Now we're walking around the panel. It's more on kaandit ni guys. Holiday vacation or for holidays. Ah, that's a central here, uda. Ata nilang centrum. Ayan. My church. Tipani is like a small town. Tapos near to the beach. Grabe ma-feel yun yung hangin, di ba? Yeah. Magkasabot.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like me. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Spring. guys. Para makapag-grocery gamay. Gamay lang. I wonder if it's still open. Seems like it's closed already. There's no more stores open. Not even a bakery of the zoo.
With the whole house, you can buy there on the corner, top.
That one there? Oh yeah.
It's so dark. Should use the mobile.
Yeah, camera is so...
That's really, I don't know. I'm not convinced about this.
It's okay.
I use that.
But the voice, it's loud here.
Yeah, that's true.
The-
Also the noise,
yeah.
yeah, that's better. And you don't have wind too much.
Yeah.
But there's no use if you don't have good quality in the picture.
It's good quality in the vlog, yeah, see?
Yeah, for vlogging, yeah,
It's for vlogging only.
not more.
We are here. I wonder if there is a store, guys. Feeling namin ma-close naman ata. Close na. There's a car coming. The pick up.
Yeah.
So, we end up having here. Order lang kami ng pizza, guys. For take away, pizza, pasta and pizza. Sula.
I switch off, lay down.